Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to follow Selena Gomez's makeup routine. This is a video from her own channel, Rare Beauty. It is Get Ready With Me, Selena's signature look. Now, this is a video I've been wanting to do for such a long time because A, Selena Gomez is one of my favorite singers of all time. B, it looks like such a cute and fun video and easy to follow along, and it's actually more or less something I think is realistic and similar to me. And also another thing is it's like my alter ego look. She has the bold eyeliner, the bold lips, and it's something I would never really wear myself, so I think it's a perfect excuse for me to follow her routine and try out a makeup look I don't normally do for myself. A disclaimer, I do not own any Rare Beauty products because it's way too expensive to buy and ship to Australia, as much as I really want to try out her products and brushes and all that, but it's just way too expensive, so I'm going to use my own products and makeup that I have that I think substitutes for it and is quite similar. I'm mainly following her routine and her steps of how she applies makeup rather than really testing out the products. So just a disclaimer, no Rare Beauty products. I'm just going to copy exactly what she does and go for it. Can't wait, let's go. I'm just going to quickly tie up my hair so it doesn't get in the way. So first, Selena applied some of her Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation. I don't have that obviously, so I'm going to use the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation, and she dotted it all over her face. Selena is actually applying 2 shades of foundation to match to make her perfect shade. I actually only have one foundation, so I'm just going to use this, but apply it exactly where she applied it.
So since I will be doing the show, I'm going to put on a little more than I usually would.
Looks about right. Looks like where she applied it.
The trick with my foundation is that it's actually really light and you don't need to use a lot. That is why I use the dot system. Did I just make that up? There's no such thing as a dot system.
Foundation is complete. Next, Selena is applying some Liquid Touch Brightening Concealer, so I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer instead. I'm going to copy exactly where she put it. So 4 dots here, 3 here, 1, 2, 3. This is a lot of concealer.
Where you have a lot of discoloration or pimples.
Her skin is so nice. When she's like, you need to cover your pimples, your blemishes. She literally had none. She was like looking and she's like, oh, she's so precious.
It's kind of do a little bit of a soft circle action to the end. I would say doing my makeup for the show is very scary. Just because I get so used to and so comfortable with working with people and trusting that they know it will look good.
Now that we're done with concealer, now let's do blush. So Selena used a liquid blush. I don't have any liquid blushes, so I'm going to use a cream. It is Step Down from Powder, so I thought this would be the most similar in my collection. And I'm just going to apply it on my cheeks. This product dries really quickly, so I'm just going to apply it straight away. I'm not going to like let it sit, otherwise I will never be able to blend it out. Now Selena concentrates her blush mainly here in the center of her cheek, so that's where I'm going to apply it as well, just to copy her. At the end I better look something like her. But again, that's impossible. She's so cute and pretty.
With my blush,
next, Selena is doing her brows. She's using her Brow Harmony pencil and gel, which is on one side it's a gel and one side it's a pencil. So I'm going to use my brow gel and pencil and do my brows in the same order as she does. Now Selena does her brows with her gel first and then her pencil. I've never actually done that before and I haven't seen many people try that, so I'm excited to try that combination out. Brows are so bold and pretty already. She doesn't really need to fill it in. It's just so nice as it is. But strong brows are trendy now, so you know, I'm gonna wait for that to sit for a while and then use my pencil to go over it. I even found a brow pencil that's like a similar shape to her. It's like a triangle, but not too pointy, not too wide, and gonna fill in my brows like her. So she fills her brows from the start all the way and just light strokes, almost like an outline, but it's very, very light. It's not like a Sharpie brow, so that's how I'm going to also do my brows today.
Papa! Come on in. Good morning. Hey, thank you.
Nope.
I love you.
Next, Selena is going to do her eyeliner. This part I'm really excited about because I never do a wing liner as dramatic as that, and I just think it'll be really fun. It can also look very bad because eyeliners, as we all know, are the hardest to match, so good luck. Okay, so her eyeliner looks like almost like a pen, and I have this next one that's quite similar. From the video I can't see too properly because she's covering her eyes, but I think she starts with her wing first and then slowly connects it. So that's how I'm going to do my eyeliner as well.
I don't know. Sure?
I think I stopped it up already. It looks like a decent wing. It's not bad. It's not good. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of Jenny and Jisoo eating like their sugar-coated grapes, and it's like, it's not bad. And Jisoo goes, but not good. Now, the challenge is to get it the same on this eye. They are definitely not even. My eyeliner is definitely not even, but it's as good as they're gonna get, and I feel like the more I do it, the more wide it is. Like, look how wide this is. It's like a centimeter. And then I try to match it. I don't know. I never do eyeliner, so this is good enough for me. I don't care. She does it so effortlessly. How? She's using Lip Souffle Matte Lip Cream in Inspire, which is like a beautiful, bright orange red. I don't really have that sort of shade, but this is the closest I have. And I'm gonna apply it all over the lips. Another thing I noticed is when Selena applied it, she kind of covered her Cupid's bow. It's quite rounded. She didn't like do the wedges. I normally like to emphasize on my Cupid's bow because I think it looks really nice, but I'm gonna follow exactly what she did because she covered it up. I don't look like me at all.
Alright.
Okay, done with lipstick.
Done.
We're done with the look. I thought we were gonna put some highlighter. Never mind, she remembered
Oh
the
my gosh.
highlighter. Again, she is using a liquid highlighter. I don't have that, so I'm going to use a cream highlighter and dot it over my face just like she did and blend it out. And I think she's using the same brush she blended her foundation in with, so I'm also going to take this.
Righty.
And that is the end of the look. It's so simple, but it looks so glamorous at the same time. I think I'm just going to put on some mascara because my lashes look a bit strange without any mascara, so I'll be right back and then we'll come back with a final review. I'm done touching up. The mascara did absolutely nothing. I forgot how short and stumpy my lashes are, so that literally is nothing, but this is the finished look following Selena Gomez's makeup routine. It was nice and quick. The entire video was only 5 minutes, so I really like it. I think I'm not really digging this eyeliner on me. I think it's nice from afar, but up close I'm kind of horrified at how bold this is, but I think it's a really, really pretty look and very, very glamorous, like the bright red lip and the cat eye. It's like my alter ego come true. Like, this is what I imagine I want to wear when I like go to work and I have my eyeliner, my suit, and like bright lip. It looks really nice and I love it. I absolutely love it on her. Like, she is gorgeous. I doubt she can look bad in anything. And it was really fun for me to do. The eyeliner definitely needs some work. And maybe I will put on more eyeliner in the future, but I absolutely love this look. I think it's so nice, simple. It has all the elements you need. I would, however, put a little bit of powder on just to make sure this part doesn't get too oily. But again, I'm not too fussy about that because I don't have really oily skin. I have a pretty normal combination. And yeah, this is it. I had so much fun following this. I was low-key fangirling a lot watching her. I'm just smiling there like, oh, you're so cute. But really love this look. Will I try it out again in the future? Probably. Maybe when I'm a bit more confident in myself. And I definitely need to work on those eyeliner Like, I know I've talked about like 20 times already, but that is something that's keeping me in mind. I like how basic and just simple this makeup routine is. You have everything you need. You have your foundation to even out your complexion, concealer to hide spots and brighten, you have your brows, eyes, and lips. So nothing not to love. Really like how it's just blush and highlighter. It's still giving my skin a really nice glow. It's beautiful and absolutely loved it. I hope you guys like this video. Oh, I forgot to tie up. I've got to untie my hair. It's like the great reveal. I forgot about that. Okay. There we go. I look a lot better now. Okay. Hair really does everything. Like, you can hide a bit of your face so it looks a bit skinnier. I really hope to try Rare Beauty out someday, maybe when it's a bit cheaper or when it comes to Sephora in Australia, because I love Selena Gomez. I am a huge fan of hers. I love her new Rare album. I basically know the lyrics to all the songs in there, and she is just so sweet, and I think she is such a beautiful person as well, and how she created Rare Beauty so parts of it can go towards mental health awareness, and it's just incredible. I think to have a celebrity doing things like this is really just something that's amazing, and I really am quite inspired by her. So that's why I want to do this, first of all because I want an excuse to do my alter ego look, and another is I want an excuse to look at her video another 20 times, and also I want to just promote her a bit more because I think she deserves all the hype in the world and she is just so lovely. Enough about me blubbering on why I love her. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and even subscribe to my channel. Comment below, do you want me to do other like versions? Do you want me to try to do another celebrity's makeup routine, like those Vogue secrets? I love looking at those are just so fun. And let me know, because I would love to make this a series. That would be so fun to do. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye.